Hey everybody, it's me, Chasey Poo, and today I'm coming back with another unboxing. Alright, Banana Prosthetics has sent me a new package of prosthetics, and I'm really excited because I'm going to be completely honest, I've been really busy and I don't remember what they sent me. So it's actually pretty exciting because I literally don't know what's in here. I'm going to get some prosthetics. Let's open up and see. So just a reminder that these unboxing videos are for you, so that you get to see the products that were sent to me. This is unsafe to cut it like this. So that you can see the products that I'm going to review next, and so that you can ask me the questions, because you're the one who's going to buy this, and I want to make sure that you get things that work for you. And I just got some of the wrapping that was in there. Okay, let's look. Ooh, they have new bags. Okay, what the fuck is this? Okay. First things first, they sent me their color, like, palette thing. Very cool. So you can see all the colors that they offer, which is pretty cool. All the different shades. This here, ooh, this is a soft, oh, it's small. Look at this. This is little. So it's an STP. Wow, actually, I think this could be really good for people who need an STP but don't want to pack big, because like STPs are pretty big, and even Banana Prosthetics STPs are pretty bulky because of the balls. Even here, honestly, the balls are a little thicker than everything else, but I will say this looks like a pretty good little STP that can kind of pop in just like a little packer in there. Okay, that's very cool. I'm excited to review this. All right, what the F is this? This is their hard packer. Okay, I think I remember now what this is. So, they have a new line. Jesus, this is a big dick. They have a new line of prosthetics where they have like the hard packer, and then there's a big ass hole in the back because you get things that you can put in here for interchanging, so that you can, like, when you're having sex and penetrating somebody, it rubs up against you and it feels good. Or if you're doing like self-play or like masturbating, whatever, doing yourself, you can use it as like a masturbation sleeve when it's in here and rub it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is cool. It's crooked, but the inside is a stroker. Like, it has the ridges. So they sent me two other of the inserts that they sell. Ooh, a butthole. A mouth. The butthole's so gapey. So gapey. That's okay though. The wiener can fit in there. And then a mouth. Ah! Okay, this is a very short unboxing, I know. I just really wanted to come out here just to show you these exciting products. And don't forget to look at my previous unboxing videos of the Peacock with the pump and the Mormy, like, stroker that the skin moves. Whew. Okay, this just looks wrong. I'm gonna be honest, but that's okay, because if it rubs up against you and it feels good, then who cares? It's just like, wait, maybe this goes in more? Does this go in more? Am I fucking this up? Am I like, oh, ooh. I think you're just supposed to put it all the way in. That looks better, right? Yeah, I think that you're supposed to put it all in. Cause yeah. This is a really cool idea, though. I don't think many companies have done like interchangeable things before, so this is pretty cool. I'm very excited to see how it turns out and how like it feels. This prosthetic is very interesting as well. So if you have any questions about this prosthetic or the smaller STP packer, the soft one, please let me know in the comments below, so when I do my review for these both of these products, I'm able to kind of answer all the questions that you have. Alright, anyways, let me know what you think in the comments below. Send me all your questions. I love you. Thank you, Banana Prosthetics, for sending me this. I'm very excited to try it out. Alright, have a great day. See ya.